Hi, and welcome to Walking Tour Old San Juan, which gives you a chance to experience one of the most popular excursions in San Juan, Puerto Rico, whether your cruise is embarking from Puerto Rico or if you are on a port of call of San Juan, Puerto Rico. A walking tour through Old San Juan is always popular. I regularly post videos on all facets of the cruise and travel industry, so if you'd like to keep up with the latest in cruise ships, cruises themselves, ports of call, chilly chats, or a weekly episode of cruise industry news, just hit the little subscribe button at any time during this video. Your cruise ship is docked at the port terminal Calle Marina. Grab a big breakfast this morning and a comfortable pair of shoes as we start the adventure of a walking tour of Old San Juan. The capital of Puerto Rico is filled with history and is becoming one of the most popular Caribbean tourist spots. From pirate attacks to naval battles, the rich history of San Juan is evident as you walk through the centuries-old cobblestone streets. Keep in mind the sidewalks in Old San Juan are narrow and uneven, so if you have any problems walking, you might want to consider taking another route other than a walking tour. The Old San Juan free trolley is quite fun. You can pick it up right across from the information booth between Cruise Piers 3 and 4. You can always rent a car or share with someone else. Another option is a guided Segway tour of Old San Juan. Perhaps nothing captures the history of Puerto Rico more than Old San Juan's massive fortresses, El Morro and Castillo de San Cristobal, which are among the most visited attractions on the island, and for good reason. Their cannons, ramparts, and layered defenses have guarded the walled city for centuries. El Morro was completed in 1539. Guided tours are available from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Castillo San Cristobal is the newer of the two forts. It was built in 1771, and its tours are available from 10 to 2. The Cathedral of San Juan Bautista is open daily. Beware that regular church services occur, so you'll need to be mindful and respectful of worshipers. It was built in 1540 and is the oldest cathedral in the U.S. territories and is also where Ponce de Leon is entombed. San Juan is the second oldest city under the U.S. flag. The 7-square-block area of Old San Juan contains more than 400 beautifully restored 16th and 17th century colonial buildings, like the Casa Blanca, which is the home built for Ponce de Leon in 1550. Capilla del Cristo, or Chapel of Christ, is located at the end of Cristo Street in Old San Juan. It's become one of the most photographed historic landmarks in Puerto Rico. It's fairly small but quaint. Its entrance is a large wrought iron gate with a small single church bell on the rooftop. It was built in 1753. The Plaza de Colón is named for explorer Christopher Columbus. The plaza and statue was built to commemorate the 400th anniversary of the discovery of the island. It's a great place to take a bit of a rest from your walking tour, sit and watch the folks walking around, and of course visit the local food court. La Rogativa, standing 12 foot high, is the statue that commemorates San Juan's 450th anniversary. It also offers some terrific ocean views. Originally, there were 6 gates into San Juan. La Puerta de San Juan is the only one remaining, so it is a precious historic landmark. As you walk through the gate, notice how thick the walls are. Plaza del Quinto Centenario commemorates the quincentennial of the European discovery of America and Puerto Rico. La Fortaleza was completed in 1540 as a defense against the Carib Indians and other foreign invaders. It's currently the oldest governor's mansion on U.S. soil that is currently in use as such. There are numerous museums and art museums scattered throughout Old San Juan, like the Museum of Art of Puerto Rico, and the Contemporary Art Museum. San Juan has several casinos. One of the more popular ones is the Sheraton Old San Juan Casino. There's plenty of shopping in Old San Juan, especially along Calle Cristo. Puerto Rico has terrific handcrafted souvenirs. There's nothing wrong with a t-shirt or a shot glass, but if you want something original, this island has lovely arts and crafts, and you'll find plenty of options on your walk through Old San Juan. You might also want to consider one of the numerous San Juan food tours, which mix food, booze with, of course, rum, and the history of San Juan, all in one package. Well, that about wraps up the walking tour of Old San Juan. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you have, hit the little like button and let YouTube know that you've enjoyed the video. We regularly post videos on all facets of the cruise and travel industry. If you like to keep up with the latest in cruise ship, ports of call, cruises themselves, chilly chats, and a weekly episode of cruise industry news, just hit the little subscribe button in the lower right-hand corner. And hopefully we'll meet in San Juan, Puerto Rico real soon.